There's a special and rare category of clock that I collect, hope to find, and rarely sell because I enjoy having them. These are double-side clocks, or partners clocks. They're called that because when you see one, you may not even know you're seeing one until you think to turn it around, and you find that the clock has an identical face on the other side. These were called partners clocks because they could sit on a partner's desk, which has the two partners sitting on either sides of the desk, and each would know what time it was, or it could serve as a convenience to the person you were talking to if you had this on your desk, and the person you were interviewing or chatting with on the other side of the desk would also be able to see the time. Most of these were made in Switzerland. They were sold at those same kinds of stores as the carriage clocks we talked about, the fancy high-end stores, because they were often made during the Deco period. They were high quality, marble bases you see here, or gilded in this case, gold-plated, so that they were expensive clocks too, which is another reason why you don't find them very often. In this case, we have one which is a Waltham. We'll talk more about Waltham clocks, but this is they got into this double-side business as well and made some very innovative ones too. Keep in mind, there's a single movement inside there. There isn't two that you have to wind and set. A single movement that ticks away, and through some additional gear shafts, they can run the time on both sides of the dials at the same time.